morning. I hope you're doing good. Yes, I just woke up. It's a bright morning. Okay, so right here on my bed, I have some exercise to show you for your abs. You know, most of us, before we go to work in the morning, before we brush our teeth, there are some things we can do in bed while you woke up, so you can enhance the core on your abs. The core muscles on your abs can be enhanced. If you don't have enough time, whereby you work a lot or you don't have time to go to the gym, from your bed also you can do some abs routine. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. I hope it works for you because it works for me too. I hope you listen and observe what I do. Thank you for your time. Okay. Now here I start with the middle abs muscles. You know what I mean? When I talk about abs training, I mostly focus on the abs muscles. And the abs muscles comprises of the middle abs muscles. We have the obliques muscles. Then we have the V-line shape. You know, the belly button muscles. So right now I'm going to start with the middle abs muscles on the bed. See how I do it? Okay, here I put a hip on my waist. Okay, I have this on my waist to give me a slant resting position. So here I can squeeze abs. Understand me? Yeah. Right on your bed. When you wake up in the morning, you can always do this. You can go this way. You touch your knee, you fall back. Touch your knee, you fall back. So the back crunching the abs muscles. You know what I mean? Then also, if you are doing the middle abs, you can lie straight, touch your knee. Okay? Lie straight, touch your knee. So it's all about stretching and squeezing, stretching and squeezing. You understand what I mean? So then secondly, we'll focus now on the V shape. The V shape. To have a good V shape, you have to get a leg twist, you know. This is good for you. You can lay on your bed and do this every morning. But don't move too fast, okay? Yeah, you feel the core. Right here, I feel the core. I don't know if you see the core, but I feel a lot of abs, core muscles. You see? Yeah, so that works on your V shape. Also for your V shape, tell you what to do. Yeah, this straightly abs workout from the bed, okay? If you have a bed, you wake up in the morning, you can always do what I do. It's going to help you. So here I have the hip on my back. So I have a slant posture. My hands for stamina. So here I take my legs up, down. Okay, I feel the core of my abs, the lower abs muscles. Okay, now I want to show you how to work on the obliques muscles. Yeah, your side muscles. While on the bed. Okay, you can lie straight on the plank. You can lie on the plank floor, plank bed. Okay, you have this hand as your support. You have your leg straight, hands on your head. Squeeze leg, squeeze arm. See? Like this. Your bed. Can always do this every morning. You understand what I mean? Okay, let's go the other way. Here, support. Here on my head. Okay, that's an oblique workout. Also, I'll show you this for your obliques. You try to touch your leg ankle. You try to touch it, but not with both ends. You go one way, you go the other way. So on this routine, it gives you the movement of twisting your waist. Like you go this way, you go this way. So it gives you a good strength core on your abs. Oh, right now my abs feel warm and so warmed up, man. The muscles are feeling good. Yeah. See? Here I'm twisting my waist, twisting my stomach to touch both. Okay? Yeah. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. That's a quick one for your abs. I recommend you to do it when you wake up in the morning, because right now I feel so warm. I feel like I can dive into the shower right now. Go take my shower, brush my teeth, and start the day. The day has been brightened. The day has been brightened with some